Hello and good morning. I want to do another crypto update because Bella has a setup where I'm going to have to change my orders as I am at risk at getting what I would call getting undercut potentially, or I want to try to get another perfect upside number. I have just sold, I got to sell some Uno. I just sold some Uno. I have to take care of that. And I just bought some WBB. So let's take care of that. So whenever I buy, I'm usually always going to see a downtrend because I'm buying when something goes down. And Wild Beast, she just went down. I haven't done much with it. I bought at 44, sold it all at 48, bought some at 44, and now I've just bought some more at 41. So now I have to find a sell target. Where do I want to sell? You can do Fibonacci from up to this point. And well, right in here, you got a 10% gain just going in this area here. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But I'm always going to look at the orders. And I know I'm in the area of about 45. So people are asking in here. I'm on front page already. Decent size order. From 41 to 44, so I could probably go 44932. Probably even lower, but no. And you're not going to see me write it in, but I'm just going to write it in at 4. Actually, I got 4492. 44932. Exact numbers can mean everything. And the sell order is in, and I don't even need to look at this chart until I get another order. And do I have another buy order? And I have to ask myself, and do I want to buy? The answer is yes. So I don't need to do anything with it. I got range on both sides until I get a buy or a sell. It's going to stay within the range of between 4,000 and 45 pretty much. So now let's take a look at Uno, and then we're going to go to Bella. I can see the price. It's 99.36. I don't need to rush into it unless I see it starting to, wow, this thing just broke. Wow, do I have any insane orders on this thing? It looked like I got a third sell on it. Wow, cool. Okay, yeah, that's expected. It could even, I should have orders up here. If I don't, what am I doing? Seriously. Come on, please give me orders. Yeah, I got one. Okay. So I sold 3 times. I sold unit-wise a half plus a 0.2. That's 0.65. That's about 1. I sold 1. Sold a bit. I sold a lot. Considering what I had. I'm going to play this range. I should put this in a log setting. I wish I knew the default so I could always have the log scale. An 18 average, that's really what it comes down to. But let's play the lower end of this range, maybe fib it up a bit. 598 looks good. 6 low. If we're, yeah, 6 low works perfect. So let's buy back at around, let's see, so these prices are really, what's going on with the bid-ask spread? Am I seeing this right? Okay. The difference is like 50%, so what the heck is going on? That's odd. I don't know what to say. I really have never seen this before. Are people late to the party? Okay, now there's a couple people that got in before me. The lowest someone is selling at is around 86,000 or 86, and I got on the top of the line. 3 people just jumped me at 55. I mean, the difference right now is about like insane. I mean, you're really just kind of hoping to get to the top of the line and someone to accidentally push the buy button on market order, but oh my goodness. Anyway, let's get into Bella. That's interesting to say the least. It really, really is. Wow. Wow, what can I say? Anyway, within Bella, when I calculate Fibonacci upside like I did for this pretty much exact hit, what I need to see is a high that's key that comes down and formulates a low that's like, yeah, that works out. And it's done it again. So the high, 10,777. Okay, that's the wrong program. I wish I could make it so that when I make these programs, I could put a picture of an icon. I don't know how to do that, but I can still do what I need to do and figure. And the reason why this is important is my order book, because I know it's bad, I think. So we can see like a 3-time hit low here, and it looks like it's breaking out nice live, my lifetime anyway. 9707, 9708, 9700. I mean, that's so huge. Okay, ding, 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 11502. That's the number. So I have to adjust my book because it's wrong. It is wrong, wrong, wrong. I gotta get rid of these buy orders up here now. Okay, so let's get rid of this one here. This one's been in for like so long. Bye-bye. It was nice knowing you. You're getting raised. You're getting raised. I can still keep a 10-9 in. Let's get rid of this one. I don't need 2 11s anymore. I'll keep another one in though. I'll get a 12 in, but not for that price though. I'll get a 12 in for not. You know what? It'll be easier to go into this way. Okay, so let's do it here. So we want to keep the 11. So we're going to. I need to keep a note for myself. This is where I keep data. So we want to buy or sell, excuse me, back in at about 13 change. So I'm just going to write that so I know where to buy. Or sell, excuse me. I just don't want to sell 78 shares. I should even pull back this a little bit too. Yeah, I'm going to do that. That's too many shares to sell. Okay, so let's go in here. So the number again is 11.5. Actually, I'm right on the ball. No, that's right. So these are pierces below. I kind of only want one, and I kind of want the higher one. All these other ones I can just leave. And do I want to do anything else? No, let's do that. So let's now sell some Bella with the intent of buying it all back, but at a lower price. Everything I sold in here, I'm buying back in here. So I'm buying at 89, 88, 87, 86, 86, 85, 84, 83. There's my key buy number. And let's start selling. So let's first get in 125 and 135. And let's just go 44. Just a random number. Okay, so I got those in again just at lower share prices because I want to ensure that I got a better buy and sell level at the key areas. So let's move on to this calculator again, giving me 11.5. Okay, so now we're down to 300 shares. I want to probably leave back probably about 1 to 150. And let's keep it going. And you can just pick random numbers for the most part. And I want to buy these back, but probably closer to 10. I'll calculate that later, of course, but let's continue going. Okay, let's just take a look at my order book. $15 low, I think, and $14 low. And by doing this gets you the key target. And I hope whoever buys from me wins. Just might be down a little later, meaning they buy from me at these 11 4 numbers and it goes down to 10 and they're still holding, and then it goes to that 16-ish number and they're profiting, and well, so am I. That's what I'm hoping. I don't think there's anything else to go over, so that would be it. Just want to go over how I manage my book, because adjust to the message of the market. When you have a situation where it's a hit, this Fibonacci is a hit, it's already had a pierce and it's been trading at this support, so coming back, yeah, maybe I should put another sell order in here. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I wanted to leave about 100 back, so let's maybe do 2. 10, 3, 5, 2. Let's do 76, 4. 10, 5, 13. And I'm gonna just take a chance here. Yeah, I'm gonna gamble. Okay, I'm gonna gamble that it's gonna top, but I still want to leave some shares back. But let's take some insane orders out and put them back in later. Okay, let's get about 40. And this is in case something insane happens. I guarantee to get a score. It's another way of holding them too, though. But ensure, like, what happens if it goes up 4x and does what GNT did recently? At least I know I got the payout. Let's do 10 more. Ish. I want to sell about 50. See, this is what I don't like about it, but as far as how the program just moves up and down like this, I have to highlight it like this and then go like that. And let's do the high. And I'm done. I am done with my orders. I can go for breakfast, which I will actually do at this time. Perfect time to do such, because I know that I'm covered on the way down and I'm covered on the way up. And if it goes sideways, then there's nothing to do anyway. Take care.